a recap of every trades I went through, every trades I should have taken, every trades that even the trades I didn't take, I'm gonna put it down. Like, okay, this is the winning, losing, right? But I'm gonna say like, yo, I did not take it this, but keep in mind, right? Just keep in mind too. Next time, so we can take a trade just like that. So let's go over it, right? So I was looking to take a trade for longs on Monday, August. What was it? Monday, August, whatever, the 24th, 12th, right? I was looking on Monday. I was looking for a long. Never had it. I was looking for a 30-minute confluence because 30-minute time frame was trending to the upside. Never had it, right? I was like, okay. I mean, I did have a entry here, but market set out the liquidity. I was like, now I'm not. I can't use a 30-minute confluence, right? On this day, same thing to here. I'm breaking my trading rule. Eventually, if you can see in the past, I did get cooked if I break the trading rule. Sometimes it will work out on me, sometimes it won't, right? On this day was a PPI trade. This PPI trade I did not take, but I learned it throughout the week. I learned it on Thursday, like, oh shit, this I could be taking trades on, on news where I could just be looking for an hourly confluence and put a sell side below the hourly confluence, TP, wherever it goes. But this one would have been a break-even trade. No trades here, no trades here. I'm not gonna trade on this session. This one I took a small loss, but I'm not even meant to be checking trade over there because why? There's a major news happening. Usually what I keep on finding out, my sales won't work on major news, but this loss over here was a small ass loss, right? But I should have not even taken that trade because why? Although it was a high quality setup, but there was a news coming out on what? The next day. Not the next day, next session, which was core retail sales. On this core retail sales, I had a setup to the downside. I was looking for a 5-minute confluence, right? To go for a downside. Straight down, boom, pipe down, and I was like, damn, nobody had an entry, right? Eventually the market went down without any entry. But as I said, I learned this at Thursday. I learned that I could use all the confluence after the trade, by the way, like at 12 p.m. That's what I learned it, right? Eventually I put a sell limit order here. It's above the so I put the sell stop above the sell limit order. TP1 here, TP2 here, 15 minute time frame close below it, so hold it to next trade. And next TP, next TP was right over here. Now from here on, right when this broker shut down, go put sell side right over here. When the market shut down, this sell side over here. Now from here, just let the market trade run. And once the market hits TP1, after that we're gonna start trying again. If it's another high get created, high and low get created, and break shut down, we're gonna trial it. If not, then we're not, right? So eventually, nothing got created. Just hit TP. This day, no trades, because this day was no trade, by the way. I don't trade agent session. This day was no trade because there was a major was there a major news happening? No, there was no high quality setup on that day, right? On this day, on Friday, we had a setup to the upside. Unfortunately, this one was a break-even trade because I was looking for, it's like I tried my stop loss, I cannot turn my stop loss back. And why did it up in a loss? Very simple, market has a 15 fair value gap, payroll fair, erodes fair value gap, and right on my sell stop, there was a 15-minute fair value gap. I was like, okay, market's gonna touch this and push up higher, and I can't turn my stop loss back lower. So I was like, okay, I gotta do what I do. Even if I put a break-even trade, even break-even spot, I would have still gotten stopped out because of the spread, right? Spreads were like 16 ticks, I think, right? When I took this trade, I took it out of the order block, and I did have a better entry on the my buy pattern. So next time I'm gonna trust the buy pattern. Right when I see that buy pattern in my entry, taking that shit, regardless, I don't give a shit. But yeah, I had entry there, boom. Once the market brushed up on this, sells up here, brushed up on this, sells up here, eventually took me out. Eventually, right by TP, you can see 15 time frame. So 15 fair value right there. But I had 2 entries on this trade. But other than that, chat, other than that, this week was pretty good, man. You see, we avoid a lot of things, but we did make one mistake. But that mistake was, I learned from it. Right now, we did not make it again. But other than that, it was really good trades over here. See, we avoided a lot of drawdown. We avoided a lot of bad trades. Focus on building good habits, not bad habits, right? But other than that, that is it, man. What did we learn from this week? Is do not trade London session before major news, because market does tend to fuck around. And other than that is, I learned something new. When trading news, use the hourly confluence to get in, right, and put a stop above there, below the hourly confluence for your spots or sales, right. And out of that, take high quality setup. High quality setup pays off so fucking much. These are like saving me from losing 1%, 2%. So when I do lose, I just back to it as well, right? When I do lose, market always attempts to give me a trialing where if I lose now if I instead of losing 1%, I'm losing 0.25%, 0.50%, 0.75%. That right there is a cut. That cut is a lot, you know what I'm saying? That's a lot. That's good, right? Because you know, the high capital you have, the more money it's gonna be. But yeah, I just backtested as well. From the backtesting, what I learned from the backtesting is these high quality setup really does pay off, man. You know what I'm saying? You can see mainly usually or most of them are either break even, two small losses like a 0.25 and a 0.10% loss. Other than that is all of them. Other than that is most of them are break even or TP. And yeah, the break even ones are like during the bad condition of the market. Investment hit TP a lot. But other than that is, yeah, this is it. Keep on following high quality setup. Take action. Don't let other people's opinion get in the way. Do the hypnosis on us. Do the self hypnosis so we can get in. You know what I'm saying? So we know, if you guys know what I'm talking about, the self hypnosis where you tell yourself I'm confident, and if you constantly repeat it for that, you know, it's like for enough time, you're gonna be confident. Let's say I'm fearless, you're gonna be fearless, right? So constantly we gotta spam that every trading day. I'm trying to become like that, man. Feel me? Try to do a self hypnosis on myself where I constantly keep on saying it. Now that is not that's not manifesting. Manifesting, fuck that shit. That's like, yo, you know that you're gonna be confident. You know I'm confident. I'm confident. I'm not trying to if you constantly repeat that, I'm patient, I'm patient, I'm patient, I'm patient. Eventually you are gonna be patient. Eventually you are gonna be. If I say I'm not greedy, eventually you're not gonna be greedy, right? Because you're saying your brain be like, okay, I should be going for this. I shouldn't be going for that TP because too far, it's unrealistic. So let's go put it down here. So eventually you will catch up. It will help you out. But you gotta constantly save for enough time. You gotta save for like at least a month or two for that to, you know, for that effect to happen. But yeah, there's a weekly market recap. Very, very, very good week, and the trialing and shit. This right here. Oh yeah, other thing is that that's that. Nothing else. I mean, let's go to the next week. Next week should be an easy week because there's no news happening, major news happening, but there is some news over there. So next week I'm able to take only high quality setup, normal low quality setup, because high quality setup usually, bro, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, you know what I'm saying? I'm not no fucking I'm not your guy that makes that 100% win rate. Hell no. I'm the type of guy where, bro, I'm in drawdown right now, right? So like I'm not gonna be like, okay, I'm not in drawdown. I mean, I'm back up. I'm in fucking drawdown right now. I'm getting cooked. But hey, I'm still happy that I am, you know what I'm saying, throughout the last week and this week, that I was able to now blow up my account, you know, saying my 50k funded account, because the 50k funded account is paying my fucking bills, right? That's how I make my money at the moment. But I might make up more payments, eventually go to 200k. But I'm not gonna do that until I get out of drawdown. Plus, I just focus on high quality setup now. You know, main goal to make, like I was saying, a $2 million funding, $4 million funding, right? And that should be it. But yeah, thank you for watching.